Hi, welcome. This is a litter of blue Great Dane puppies. There's 5 in the litter and they're all spoken for. They're almost 4 weeks old here, so we're going to do some videos and updates of pictures and then get all the families that have deposits to make their final picks. Let's see, this is red collar boy. Oh, you guys are moving too fast. This one is, are you boy? Yes, this one is orange boy. And we got pink girl here. Hi, were you saying hi to me? And blue, I believe it's girl. Let me double check. Yes, you are a girl. Blue girl, pink girl there. So we got orange boy here, red boy, and here's green boy. So we are GreatLakeDanes.com. I hope to have some more again in the spring. So these gorgeous blue Great Dane puppies are all spoken for. Huh. Oh yes, I'm right up in your lap. So this one's one of the boys. This is boy. This is boy. Here's girl. Pink collar and blue collar girl. So all of our puppies come up to date on their health care and come with a health guarantee. As you can see, they're starting to get very active, playful pups. Love to have attention. All right, now come here, guys. Yes, there we go. Yes, you come so fast. That's girl, red boy. That's the orange boy. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. You guys are getting your twofers in. So if you'd like some more information, you can call us at 616-892-1993. We'd love to give you some more information on these gorgeous Great Danes that we have. Or were you the one with the... I switched their collars. I'm going to have to see what... I know I had one yellow. Maybe you were yellow. And I switched you to green. That would make sense because you have the lime. And then your orange or pink boy, red boy, blue girl, and there's the pink girl. All right, so we'll do some new pictures of them and their weights. Let's see if I get up and can get them a little bit more active here. Everybody's enjoying playing. Alright, you guys want to come back? Come here. This one's green. And blue girl. What do we got here? Red boy. I'll call you orange boy. And pink girl there. Alright, well, we'll say thanks for visiting. We'll say bye for now, huh? Oh, good boy. Yes. Bye-bye for now.